Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I have a tiny Amazon haul. I have the Shark Steam Pocket Mop. I bought it from Amazon. And it was sitting on my front porch on the step, just like this. So, anybody who passed by, they could have had them a mop. Okay, I had one for years and years and years, and it went out. It stopped working, stopped steaming. So I tried to use some vinegar in it to unclog it or whatever it was going to do. So that didn't work. So I bought me another one because I like this. And I like this brand. They have other brands that are steam mops, but I know about the Shark brand. So we're going to do an unboxing. And this looks a little different than the other one I had. Hope it works the same. Let me open up this without messing up my fingernails. You think you're the Incredible Hulk? Okay, y'all can't see what I'm doing. Put this here for now. And I'll lower this so y'all can see. I'll do it this way. I just open up the box. Came with the pamphlet. Owner's guide. Came with the extra, what you call this? Mop pad. Well, I'll finish this first and I'll show y'all. You should have one on the mop head. We're supposed to have two of these. Came with the water basin that you fill this up with distilled water, or I'm going to use bottled water. I won't be using my tap water because we got very hard water, and that's what messed my other one up, the hard water. So I'll be using bottled water. Take that off my table. Okay, this is the handle. Yeah, this is different from my other one. The handle was not like this. You have to build everything yourself, yeah. I think this is an 18-foot cord, so that's good. Let me take this out. That's where the base of it looks. The other one was also purple. And what else we got? I forgot the mop head. And it got the mop pad on it. So it came with two mop pads. I think this was $65.99. Something like that. I've had it sitting here for about a week. So my kitchen floor ain't been mopped. Okay, I'm gonna build this thing. Okay, take this. Yeah, this is much different. That'll work. And this here on the handle, it says pump for steam. So, which way this go? has to go this way. Yeah. So I'm gonna have the handle portion facing me. Put this down some. See this how it is? Press this little button and put it in there. Okay, that's in there. That was easy. And the mop head is, you can use both sides of this pad because this is a swivel mop head. When one side get dirty, just flip it over and use the other side. So you don't have to be taking it off just because one side is filthy. Okay, this is the front of it. Use only water. Distilled water recommended. I'm gonna unscrew this. That's how you fill it up. How you put this on here? It's the same on both sides, so it don't matter which way. Let this go. Let's see. All right now. It would have been nice to read the instructions, right? Oh, I see a little slot. Oh, it goes this way. This has a little notch right here. Y'all see that notch right there? And this has a notch on the end of it. So you line it up. It's a notch right here. Y'all have to have it to see it. Okay. Line that notch up. Okay. It's on there. It's a swivel. It looks to be sturdily made. I like that it got this kind of, the handle thing for the cord. Yeah. The other one did too. So you can wrap the cord. Take this off. I'm not going to use it today. I gotta get in there and cook. It's getting late. Extra long cord. So you can wrap the cord up on this handles. And it also has the quick release. This, so you don't have to unwrap it forever and ever. Just quick release and let it come out. Okay. So, like I said, I love the Shark brand. So, it better work. I'm sure it will. I use the distilled water. And it got a little notch here where you can stick it into the cord to hold it. But I just tuck it like that so it'll stay. So this is my new Shark. Look at this thing. Steam pocket mop. Why they call it a pocket? The other one called no pocket. Let me take this off. Show you how the mop head looks. Like that, so the steam can flow through it easily. Look at that. And this comes off easily. That's how it looks on the inside. Like a mesh. It has Velcro. And it has a little thing Like when I wash it in the washing machine, I'm going to hang it up in the laundry room on a nail to dry. I'm not going to put it in the dryer. I'll hang this up after it's washed. And like I said, it gave me a second one. It's just like this, yeah. And let me show you something else that I bought. I bought some off-market mop heads, whatever you call these things, pads. Let's see, will it fit? It look to be about the same size. I'm gonna put it on here right now. I'm gonna see if it fits. It looks different. It's more like a long loop terry cloth. Put it on here. If it don't fit, it's going back. Got this from Amazon also. Put one in there. Okay, I'm having trouble. Okay, fit. And it's much cheaper than buying the Shark brand. Because I would never just wash one of these when it get dirty. I ain't gonna run my machine for one. So this came in a pack of 4. So I would wash maybe 5 at one time. But never one. That's a waste of water, electricity, and everything else. Okay, it fits. I'm trying to Velcro it the side. This is the off-brand mop pad. It's on there. It has a loop on there where I can hang it up after it's washed. Well, I could dry it in the dryer. They say don't use fabric softeners. So that'd do something to it. So I'll leave this one on here since it's on here. So I want to thank you all for watching this unboxing of the Shark Pocket Steam Mop. Steam Pocket Mop. And the off-brand mop pads. And I'll leave a link for those too. So I'll let you know how it works. It says pump for steam. It also had something adjustable where you can adjust the mop handle for your height. I didn't show y'all that. Lift to adjust. Right here. You lift it. Oh, like my tripod. Okay, we'll see when I get ready to mop. That's a new feature. And pump for steam. Well, you're going to pump when you mop, going back and forth. So, okay, nice and sturdy. That's why I love the Shark brand. So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Can't see it. I need a thumbnail. Okay. And I bought this with my own money. Okay. Bye.